Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve camera is being used by another application's error in Windows 24H2. So the camera is being used by another application's error has become a common complaint among users following the installations on Windows 11 versions 24H2. And some report that their integrated or external cameras no longer functions as expected with the error message, preventing access to video calls, recording, or other applications requiring a camera, and possibly reasons with outdated or incompatible camera drivers. Additionally, certain privacy settings may reset during the update, restricting camera access for a specific applications. And then I'll show you on how to fix it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check in which applications is using camera. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar, and then you need now to select Task Manager. And then once you open up here at Task Manager, and then here at Processes tab, and then look for any applications in the Processes tab that might using the camera, such as video conferencing apps or web browser. So we're in the Processes tab, then we need to find and locate in which apps that using camera. So for example, if you find already, so all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then you need now to tap this End Task. And then after us clicking this End Task, and then we need to close, then you need to reboot your computer to fix the error. Alright, so click only this Restart. And then after restarting, if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to update the camera drivers. On how to update, so all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need now to type this device manager, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at device manager, and then expand imaging devices like cameras, sound and video, game controllers sections. So you need now to select this camera, click this arrow to expand, and then we need now to update this HD user facing driver. On how to update, select and then right click, and then tap update a driver. In updating driver, we have two options like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer. And then we need now to select this search automatically and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so same with also, you can select this sound, video, and game controllers. So all you have to do is to click again this arrow to expand, and then select now those camera drivers here. So select and then right click, and then you need to update a driver. So same procedure, you need to select either search automatically or browse my computer. So tap this search automatically, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after here at device manager, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to roll back the camera driver. So all you have to do is to click again or right click on a start menu, and then select device manager. And then once you open up your device manager, and then you need now to select cameras or sound, video, and game controllers. So select these cameras, click this arrow to expand, and then select this HD user facing driver. So select and then right click, and then you will need now to select this properties. And then once you open up this properties, and then you need now to select this driver tab and then click. So here at driver tab, and then you need now to tap this rollback driver. So if this rollback driver is not read out, so we need to tap. And then if the device fails are updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. So you need now to tap or click this rollback driver and then click OK. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix cameras being used by another applications error in Windows 24H2. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows issues on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.